Hare Krishna, Namaste. Chapter 14 is entitled as Gunatraya Vibhaha Yoga, Sloka 11. Sarva-dvāreṣu dehe smin prakāśa upajāyate jñānaṁ yadā tadā vidyād vivṛddhaṁ sattvam ityuta. From the previous sloka, we learned that sattva, rajas, tamas are not in the same level. Each one becomes prominent than the other two. Now, the question is how to identify which one is prominent. How do I know at this given point of time I am in mode of sattva guna or rajo guna or tamo guna? The answer is given in the 3 slokas. In 11th sloka, how to know sattva guna is prominent in us. In 12th, how is rajo guna can we identify that it is prominent. And likewise, in the 13th sloka, tamo guna. Let's see the meaning. Sarva-dvāreṣu, in all the gates of knowledge, such as eyes, ears, nose, hands, and tongue. Yadā, when prakāśa, the quality of illumination, to grasp things correctly. Jñānaṁ, knowledge, upajāyate, develops, arises. Tadā, at that time, dehe, in the body in which the knowledge has developed. Sattvam, sattva guna, vivṛddhaṁ iti, as having increased. Vidyād, should know. Translation: the manifestation of the mode of goodness can be experienced when all the gates of the body are illuminated by knowledge. We acquire knowledge through the senses, jñānaṁ, that is, through the sense organ. Whatever subject we are going to speak on, we should first be clear about it. So the clear knowledge is produced, or when the clear knowledge is produced by all our sense organs, revealing the truth of the object of thing that is being perceived by the senses, then one should know that in that body sattva guna is prominent or dominating. Sarva-dvāreṣu, the sense organs which are the doors through which knowledge can travel, that is, the eyes, nose, ears, tongue, hand, or touch sense, which are categorized as jñānaṁ, through which the knowledge is revealed, or one obtains knowledge, plus the mind as well. It is through these 5 senses plus mind one understands things. The object that's present is illuminated or perceived through these senses. Through eyes, I see something, and the knowledge through this gate reveals that object as it is. Through nose, I smell something, and the knowledge reveals that smell as it is. Through ears, I hear something, and the knowledge reveals that sound as it is. Through tongue, I taste something, and the knowledge reveals that taste as it is. Through hands, I touch something, and the knowledge reveals that texture of the object as it is. Another important point to be understood here that it is not the nose, tongue, hands, ears, eyes or the gate, because they are just organs, but the indriya that present in nose, tongue, hands, ears, eyes or the one becomes the gate. They are the jnānendriyas. That is, granendriya that present in the nose for one to smell, rasendriya that present in the tongue for one to taste, sparshendriya that present in the hand for one to touch, shabdendriya that present in the ears for one to hear the sound, chakshushendriya that present in the eyes for one to see things. These are the 5 jnānendriyas. The jnana is present where these indriyas are located. For example, the granendriya is present at the tip of the nose, not at the entirety of the nose organ. Nose is just an organ, and the granendriya that present in the nose, which is the gate through which the knowledge, the jnana, can travel through. So these are the gates that the jnana can travel and can perceive an object and can reveal the truth of that object as it is. So the jnana that reveals the truth of an object as it is, then one can understand that sattva guna is prominent at that given time. When I see a donkey through my eyes, the chakshusindriya, the indriya, the sense that present in the eye, which is the gate through which knowledge travels, the consciousness travels to see the donkey as it is. It is not showing me that donkey as a horse. Therefore, one can understand that sattva guna is prominent because it shows things as it is. A clear knowledge is produced by these senses, revealing the truth of what is being perceived. Then it is sattva guna which is prominent. Asmin dehe sattvam vivṛddhaṁ iti vidyād. That is, these gunas, now that we are talking about sattva guna, it is present in the respective body, in the body. Let's take a case study here. Sage Shaubari Muni can take many bodies. He took 50 different bodies. For those who want to refresh on this topic, can refer to chapter 13, verse 3, part 6. What we learned over there is Atma is present in one body out of these 50 bodies, whereas wherever the Atma is present, from there the consciousness of the Atma, the knowledge, spreads to rest of the bodies. But the point to be noted is that though it's one Atma whose knowledge is being spread to rest of the bodies, the level of the gunas are not same in all the bodies. That is, if body number 1 has sattva guna, which is prominent, it is not so that rest of the 49 bodies will also be having sattva guna as prominent. It varies. In one body, sattva may be prominent. In the other body, it may be rajoguna, and so forth. Why so? By now we all must be knowing the answer. It's because the gunas are not part of soul, it is of the body, prakriti. As each body varies, the gunas will differ in their levels as well. As we learned from the previous sloka, there are two reasons for gunas to be prominent, each of the gunas to be prominent. One, because of the previous karma. Two, food that one intake. Therefore, depends on what food is consumed in each of these 50 bodies, the respective guna will be prominent. If one of the body of Saubari Muni takes Rajoguna food, then it will be Rajoguna which is prominent over the Sattva-guna and Tamo-guna. If another body of Saubari consumes Tamo-guna food, then it is Tamo-guna which will be prominent over the Sattva-guna and Rajoguna. Likewise, the Rajoguna. When one body takes Rajoguna food, that will be prominent, meaning Rajoguna will be prominent over the Sattva-guna and Tamo-guna. That body in which the Indriyas produce clear knowledge is the one having Sattva in dominance. By using the term dehe smin, Krishna makes it clear that this guna or these gunas are properties of the body and it is located in the body, not the property of Atma, and it is not located in the Atma. To conclude, we acquire knowledge through jnānendriya, not through the karmendriya. When clear knowledge is produced by all of these jnānendriyas, revealing the truth of that which is being perceived, then we must know that in that body Sattva-guna is dominant. In the next sloka, we will learn how to identify when Rajoguna is prominent. Sarva-dvāreṣu dehe smin prakāśa upajāyate jñānaṁ yadā tadā vidyād vivṛddhaṁ sattvam utyuta. Namaste. Hare Krishna.